Oh, watch it straight. Ah, my car turned off. My car is dead. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Hobby Hideaway again. We're going in for the mains. I believe I've secured TQ in stock. This is the start of the B main in stock, and I'm up next in the A main. So yeah, we're gonna go out with the McLaren P1. The only change to it this week is matchy wheel nuts. We've gone for blue on blue, so on my AAA I can go orange on orange. And all right, here we go out for the A main in stock. They're doing bump ups, lucky you. They're doing bump ups this week. All right, the box stock car is feeling good. We're doing a different rotation this week, so that's actually good. It wears in my tires the other direction now. So yeah, gonna get a more even wear on my tire. This is good. Car feels good. I got TQ in this. I get to start in pole position. Straight's closed. Oh, my mirror. I get to start up here. And I got a corner within 2 feet. So, and I'm not in a good position for that corner, possibly. We'll see.
Okay, everybody, ready?
Ready? Oh, I clipped the wall and I blew that corner. Second place got ahead of me and he's holding a good line. Whoa, he hit the wall, but oh, my tires. Dean's tire came off. I am now in the lead.
After 1 minute, the top drivers are John Kennedy in first place with 7 laps, followed by Stephen Lee in second place with 7 laps, followed by Chris G in third place with 7 laps, followed by Stephen in fourth place with 6 laps, followed by Chris in fifth place with 6 laps, followed by Amy Joe in sixth place with 5 laps.
Oh, watch it straight. Ah, my car turned off. My car is dead. My car is dead. Hello, dead.
Please don't walk in front of me when I'm racing.
Yeah, no steering, nothing. I got hit hard. Oh no. Oh my goodness. I forgot to put the battery. Thank you. I forgot to put the battery covers on. That's going to lose me this race. The car. My body is not on properly. Oh my gosh. That's gonna lose me this race. 0 to 0.
At 3 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Stephen Lee in first place with 23 laps, followed by Chris G in second place with 23 laps, followed by Stephen in third place with 22 laps, followed by Chris in fourth place with 21 laps, followed by John Kennedy in 5th place with 17 laps, followed by Buggy in 6th place with 15 laps. One minute left. After 4 minutes, 1 second. The top drivers are Stephen D in 1st place with 31 laps, followed by Chris G in 2nd place with 31 laps, followed by Stephen in 3rd place with 30 laps, followed by Chris in 4th place with 29 laps, followed by John Kennedy in 5th place with 26
I'm
laps.
much slower than you guys, but
In 6th place with
I don't know
23
what's
laps.
going on.
Who's leading? You are?
I am.
Nice.
I think Chris just got in front of me.
Whoa. I'm gonna, I need to get back about 10 laps to be in contention, I think. I don't know. Oh, we're over. Oh, we're over. Oh my goodness. You did it?
No, I didn't.
Groover got it. All right, I ended up, wow. I need to be a lot more mindful about what I'm doing. I totally screwed up by not putting my battery locks on. I had TQ, I had that race. I was in a commanding lead until I was dead in the middle of the straightaway because I ejected a battery because I forgot to put the little battery clips on, which is just stupid. Yep, all 4 of them sitting there. That's the way she goes sometimes. Rookie mistake. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, that happens. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. You got to remember to put these on when you race.